Hey guys, this is Japan Master channel. Today I'm going to introduce how to make Japanese curry. Japanese curry is less spicy compared with Indian curry. People use onion, carrot, potato, beef to make curry. But this time I won't be using potato. Instead, I'm gonna add multiple ingredients. Today I'm gonna use this curry roux called Java curry. Instruction of cooking curry is written on the back side of curry package. For the ingredients I will use beef, garlic, onion, tomato, carrot, and spinach. I'll first wash spinach well. Cut onion into slices. Cut garlic into slices. Next, peel the carrot. Then, cut carrot into slices. Cut spinach into eatable sizes. Cut tomato into small pieces. Tomato makes less spicy, so if you like the spicy food, you don't need to put tomato into the curry. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use to cook curry. At first, put cooking oil on the pot, then stir fry garlic and the onions. Once onions changed color, then put carrot for stir fry. Once carrots are cooked, then stir fry beef next. After the beef has changed the color, pour 1300 ml of water. Next, I will boil the spinach. Once it cooked, wash with the water and absorb all the water with paper towel until it became like this. Take the foam as much as you can. Once you took the foam, next put the curry roux into the pot. Once curry roux looks like this, then put spinach and tomato next. This time I will use only the half size of tomato. This is a completion of Japanese curry. After you made the curry, you can put it on the fridge and let it rest overnight so the rich taste will be increased. My favorite curry roux is Java curry. You can get it from the Asian shop. When I was in abroad, I usually buy this for 1 kilogram to make curry and eat day and night. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the contents, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button. And please tell me what kind of video of topic you like to watch. I will talk to you soon. Bye.